Tired of staring at complicated bank statements that make your eyes glaze over? Frustrated with hidden fees that pop up like uninvited guests? Do you ever wish managing your money felt less like a chore and more like, well, like you're actually in control? If you've ever nodded along to any of those, then stick around, because today, we're diving deep into the Monzo app, a digital bank that's been shaking up the financial world. Forget everything you think you know about banking, because Monzo is on a different playing field. It's not just a bank, it's a financial companion designed for the modern world, putting power and clarity right into your pocket. We're going to explore every nook and cranny of the Monzo app, from setting up your account in minutes to mastering its incredible budgeting tools, spending insights, and even how it handles your money when you're abroad. By the end of this, you'll see why millions are ditching traditional banks for the hot coral revolution. Let's begin right at the start, getting set up. Unlike the labyrinthine process of opening an account with a traditional bank, think endless forms, branch visits, and enough paperwork to fell a small forest, Monzo makes it incredibly simple. You download the app from your app store, and within minutes, you're on your way. You'll verify your ID, typically with a quick photo of your passport or driving license and a short video to confirm your identity. It's all done securely within the app, leveraging the latest in digital identity verification. No waiting in lines, no mailing documents, just a smooth, intuitive flow. Once approved, your distinctive hot coral card is on its way, usually arriving within a few business days. But here's the cool part, you don't even need to wait for the physical card to start using Monzo. You can instantly link your account to Apple Pay or Google Pay and begin spending right away. It's a testament to Monzo's commitment to instant gratification and seamless integration with your digital life. Now, once you're in, the first thing you'll notice is the home screen, clean, intuitive, and designed with you in mind. It's not cluttered with endless menus or obscure banking jargon. At the top, you'll see your main balance, clear as day. Below that, your recent transactions appear in real time. This isn't your grandfather's bank statement that arrives weeks later, showing you what you already spent. This is instant feedback. Every time you make a purchase, whether it's a coffee or online shopping, a notification pops up on your phone immediately, telling you exactly how much you've spent and where. This real-time transparency is a game changer for understanding your spending habits. No more guessing where your money went, Monzo tells you the moment it leaves your account. But it gets better. Monzo doesn't just show you your transactions, it categorizes them automatically. Your coffee purchases go into eating out, your utility bills into bills, and your latest online shopping spree into shopping. This automatic categorization is incredibly powerful. Tap on any transaction, and you'll see details like the merchant, the category, and even a map showing where the purchase was made. You can also add notes, attach receipts, perfect for expenses or warranties, and even split the bill with friends right there in the app. No more awkward calculations or chasing people for money after a group meal. This leads us beautifully to one of Monzo's absolute standout features, pots. Think of pots as virtual envelopes for your money, designed to help you organize your finances and save for specific goals. Want to save for a holiday? Create a holiday pot. Need to put aside money for rent? Make a rent pot. Planning a big purchase? You guessed it, a gadget pot. You can name your pots, give them custom images, and even set a target amount and date. Monzo then helps you track your progress, showing you how much more you need to save and how long you have to do it. But pots aren't just for saving. You can also set up bills pots. This is genius for anyone who struggles with managing direct debits and standing orders. Simply move the exact amount needed for your bills into a bills pot, and Monzo will automatically pay them from there when they're due. This means your main balance always reflects your actual spending money, preventing those awkward moments when a direct debit unexpectedly takes you into your overdraft. It brings incredible peace of mind and clarity to your finances. And speaking of saving, Monzo offers a few neat tricks. There's roundups, where Monzo rounds up your spare change from every transaction to the nearest pound and automatically sweeps that change into a designated pot. Bought something for £3.70? 30p goes straight into your savings. It's a passive way to save without even thinking about it, and those small amounts really do add up over time. For those looking for more serious savings, Monzo also offers various instant access savings pots with competitive interest rates, allowing your money to grow while it's stored securely within the app. Some paid plans even offer higher interest rates and more frequent interest payments. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Monzo takes the guesswork out of managing your money with its trends feature. This isn't just about looking at what you've spent, it's about understanding where it's going. Trends gives you a visual breakdown of your spending across different categories over time. You can see how much you're spending on groceries, transport, entertainment, and more, all presented in clear, easy-to-understand graphs. You can set monthly budgets for each category, and Monzo will notify you as you approach or exceed your limits. This proactive approach helps you stay on track and adjust your spending in real time, preventing financial surprises at the end of the month. It's like having a personal financial advisor living in your phone, constantly giving you insights and nudges to help you reach your goals. For those with a more complex financial life, Monzo's Connected Accounts feature is a godsend. You can link accounts from other UK banks and credit cards directly within the Monzo app, giving you a holistic view of all your finances in one place. Imagine seeing your Monzo balance, your old high street bank account, and your credit card balances, all on a single dashboard. This eliminates the need to jump between multiple banking apps, providing unparalleled convenience and a complete picture of your financial health. This even integrates with the Trends feature, allowing you to budget and categorize spending across all your linked accounts. But what about when you travel? Traditional banks often hit you with hefty foreign transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates. Monzo, on the other hand, is built for a global lifestyle. When you use your Monzo card abroad, you get the MasterCard exchange rate, with no added fees. That's right, fee-free spending in any currency. Plus, you get a generous allowance for fee-free cash withdrawals abroad, with limits varying by your Monzo plan. This makes Monzo an ideal travel companion, eliminating the stress and hidden costs associated with international payments. You'll also get instant notifications for your foreign spending, converted back into your home currency, so you always know exactly what you're spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.